Wait, did you just see that? Rain flying up. Here's the twist. In crazy storms, winds are so strong they launch raindrops back into the sky. It looks like rain is falling upwards. These wild updrafts can literally reverse gravity's pull for a split second. You thought rain only falls down? Not always. Sometimes, nature just flips the script. Next time you see a storm, look closer. You might spot rain doing the impossible, going up, not down. How's that for a weather plot twist? Blink and you'll miss it. Ready to see rain defy the rules?